In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Fortify's comprehensive static code analysis in GitHub. We'll set up a GitHub Actions workflow that runs Fortify's SAST so your code is automatically scanned for security issues. Start by opening your repository on GitHub and navigating to the Actions tab at the top. If this is your first time here, GitHub may prompt you to set up workflows. No problem, that's exactly what we want. Choose New Workflow to begin. On the next screen, select Choose a workflow so you can browse the available templates. You'll see categories along the left. Scroll to the Security section to narrow things down to security-focused workflows. In that list, find and select Fortify Scan. You'll notice the Fortify card describes integrating comprehensive static code analysis for dozens of languages into your DevSecOps workflows. Click that to open its details. Next, click Configure. GitHub will open the workflow editor with a pre-populated YAML file. This file will be saved as .github/workflows/fortify.yml in your repository. Take a moment to read through it. You'll typically see triggers, like running on pushes and pull requests, and a job that checks out your code and runs the Fortify scanner. If your project spans multiple languages or build tools, this template gives you a sensible starting point. If you need to tailor anything, click Edit to make adjustments right in the browser. For example, you can refine when the workflow runs, add paths to include or exclude, or set environment variables your build might require. Keep in mind, some Fortify configurations may rely on repository or organization secrets, such as tokens or server URLs. If your setup needs them, add those securely under your repository settings, then reference them in the workflow as needed. When you're ready to validate your changes, click Preview to see the final YAML that will be committed. GitHub will then show the Creating a New Workflow file page for your repository, indicating the file path and proposed commit. Review everything to ensure the workflow name, path, and content look correct. If you spot anything you'd like to refine, switch back to Edit, make the change, and preview again. After you save and commit the workflow, GitHub Actions will pick it up on the next matching event. You can watch runs under the Actions tab and review results under Security in the Code Scanning Alerts section. If you see findings, use them to harden your code, then iterate on the workflow as your project evolves. That's it. Your Fortify static analysis is now integrated into GitHub,